Nak, it's already 1:30 in the morning. Anong balak mo? What's your plan? What are you doing here? Anak ko, dito ka, come here. Don't go there. Don't go there. Nak! I said don't go there, I said don't go there, Anak, come here. Come here. Come to me. Come to daddy. Don't do that. Don't do that. I said don't do that. Zoe near? You can't hear me? You can't hear me, Zoe. Zoe near? What daddy said? Daddy said that. Anak. My daughter. What's daddy said? Diba? I said you don't go there and don't touch this. Hi. Zoe. Come here. You're so adorable. Sheesh.